Okay, we're doing a review on the DXZtoz articulating endoscope. And this one is quite a machine. I really love this thing. So let's start off first of all. It's got a nice carrying case. It's got molded pockets where everything goes. It has a nice handle. Good zipper on there. It is a little bit of a, let's call it a hard soft case. You've got a manual that works or explains things pretty well. It's basic, but it does a pretty good job. You've got some cleaning supplies for the screen and the camera lens, and you have the main item here. The screen does come off, so you can store that securely. And this thing I really like because I've had various different ones of these in the past, and I have a Milwaukee and a couple other ones that are pretty nice, but not like this one. This one's got a really nice big screen, and the camera doesn't quite pick up the screen clarity, but the thing I really like about this guy is you can turn this thing 180 degrees each direction. And so when you look at the camera, it's actually quite nice back and forth, so you can really look around corners and what have you. Another thing I like is this, you've got cameras going out of the side. So cameras going out of the side here or straight out. So that's the side view. And it'll do a split screen. And then again back to the front view. Now, you've got, of course, a light on there. You can go different intensities. You have a, let's call it a 10 times zoom, which that looks terrible on the camera, but has a, where you can take pictures and video. You can store them. It's got quite a gig there. I'm not going to go through the whole thing, otherwise this will be a long video, but it does take a USB-C right there to charge it, which is included. And it does have a bit of a, let's call it a stand there. But to me, this is a really nice item. It's really helps to be able to look inside things, obviously, but to be able to turn that and look around corners while you're in there is something I never really had before, because I've had flexible cables there, which you kind of had to try and bend them almost like a fish tape to get them up in there, and it was not real effective. But the light is nice. When you stick it deep inside a dark hole there, you can light it up quite well, take good pictures of it, and I'm actually pretty impressed. I had a couple of monster movie posters downstairs, and I stuck it on those, and you could really see the detail with this thing. So very nice, very easy to work with. You can take the screen off right here and put it away, store it. Charges easily. It runs quite a while on a charge. So I am happy with this guy. It knocks my Milwaukee out of the park, and I paid a fair amount for that Milwaukee. These things are a little bit pricey, but for good tools you are going to pay. Now, it does have a warning right there that says basically be real careful with this, how you're using this thing, so that you're not breaking the string inside it that creates the turns. So be careful with that, but treat it nice, and it should work very well for you for a long time. I'm really happy with this, and this is definitely a 5-star in my book.
Won't stay on. Doesn't come all the way up.
record video. Here we go, going inside, and you can see there's the oil where it's at now. It's a little low. It's supposed to be up to this first thread, so that's a lot of oil. Now if we go in and make a left just with the tip of the camera, we see this environment there where the oil is. It looks like a crankshaft up there, but it looks pretty clean, but it's just a splash box of oil. So that's kind of cool, right? Be able to see that? Let me try and change camera angles here.
That is where it's coming around and hitting. And you can see all the metal that's taken off. That is the lower end.